Knowing is not enough, we must apply. Willing is not enough, we must do. Only the self-sufficient stand alone. Most people follow the crowd and imitate. The key to immortality is first living a life worth remembering. Art calls for complete mastery of techniques, developed by reflection within the soul. Notice that the stiffest tree is most easily cracked, while the bamboo or willow survives by bending with the wind. Use only that which works, and take it from any place you can find it. The more we value things, the less we value ourselves. Take things as they are. Punch when you have to punch. Kick when you have to kick. All knowledge simply means self-knowledge. You just wait. I'm going to be the biggest Chinese star in the world. Life is wide, limitless. There is no border, no frontier. A fight is not won by one punch or kick. Either learn to endure or hire a bodyguard. The word superstar is an illusion. All fixed set patterns are incapable of adaptability or pliability. The truth is outside of all fixed patterns. I am not teaching you anything. I just help you to explore yourself. Preparation for tomorrow is hard work today. The spirit of the individual is determined by his dominating thought habits. Take no thought of who is right or wrong, or who is better than. Be not for or against. Be happy, but never satisfied. The meaning of life is that it is to be lived, and it is not to be traded and conceptualized and squeezed into a pattern of systems. It's not the daily increase but daily decrease. Hack away at the unessential. Do not allow negative thoughts to enter your mind, for they are the weeds that strangle confidence. In order to taste my cup of water, you must first empty your cup. But neither can you condemn nor justify and yet be extraordinarily alive as you walk on. You can never invite the wind, but you must leave the window open. Endurance is lost rapidly if one ceases to work at its maximum. Mistakes are always forgivable if one has the courage to admit them. Those who are unaware they are walking in darkness will never seek the light. It's like a finger pointing away to the moon. Don't concentrate on the finger or you will miss all that heavenly glory. Don't fear failure. Not failure, but low aim, is the crime. In great attempts, it is glorious even to fail. The stillness in stillness is not the real stillness, only when there is stillness in movement does the universal rhythm manifest. Boards don't hit back. If you love life, don't waste time, for time is what life is made up of. The less effort, the faster and more powerful you will be. The successful warrior is the average man, with laser-like focus. Defeat is a state of mind. No one is ever defeated until defeat has been accepted as a reality. Be self-aware, rather than a repetitious robot.